If you're choosing between Invoke AI and ComfyUI, this isn't just AI image tool versus AI image tool. It's structure consistency versus unlimited workflow freedom. So, which one is actually more consistent? Let's break it down. Invoke AI is built around a cleaner and more controlled generation workflow. It focuses on stability, organized project management, and predictable image generation without forcing users to manage huge node graphs. That's why many artists and teams prefer it for repeatable workflows and production-style image generation. But here's the catch. Flexibility is more limited compared to ComfyUI, especially for highly experimental workflows. ComfyUI takes the opposite approach. It gives you complete node-level control over stable diffusion pipelines, which means you can build incredibly advanced workflows, automations, and custom logic for power users. It's arguably the most powerful AI image workflow system available today. The downside is consistency. Because workflows can become extremely complex, results and usability often depend heavily on the creator's setup and node management. So the real difference is this. Invoke AI prioritizes predictable and repeatable image generation, while ComfyUI prioritizes maximum workflow customization. So which one is more consistent? Choose Invoke AI if you want stable, repeatable workflows with a cleaner user experience. Choose ComfyUI if you want complete control and advanced workflow flexibility. Bottom line, Invoke AI is generally the more consistent platform because it focuses on structured workflows and usability. But ComfyUI is far more powerful, and in the hands of experienced users, it can do things that Invoke AI simply can't. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.